So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will let you know why you are not able to speak advanced word, pretty intermediate level words. What is the biggest reason? Again I will let you know the reason is pretty simple, yaar. It is super simple. And what is that? You don't revise your words. You don't revise advanced word. And because of that you are not able to use them, not able to speak them. And every time you speak, whenever you talk with people on phone, you always use basic word. And I know very well you all have become fed up with using basic words while talking with people on the phone. So for this, what you have to do, you have to read newspaper every single day. You have to read stories. You have to read, yeah, whatever field you are highly interested. You have to read. This way, what will happen? Your brain will find those words natural with time. And when we find something very natural, we automatically begin to speak. Yes, we we start to do automatically. We don't have to think, right? So this is what you have to do. See, this is extremely powerful method. This is immensely, incredibly powerful method. But if you follow, but if you don't follow, nothing going to happen. You will not be able to use advanced word, super common word. Yeah, this is the thing. You don't read. By speaking with people, you will not be able to learn advanced word. For this, you have to read every single day. Yeah. And it doesn't matter how long will you read. What matters is if you read or not. Because if you read daily, you will find so many words every single day, again and again. And what will happen? Your mind will observe, your mind will remind those words. And little by little, as you speak every single day, you will begin to use those advanced words. Even you will use advanced structure. This is the thing. Commonly, nobody let us know those things. Yeah, and I have been doing this thing ever since I have started learning English, speaking English, practicing English. You have to do, right? Otherwise, you are not going to use advanced word. It will not going to happen. Let's be honest. This is the only way, yes, through which you can do. Yeah. So always remember this thing in your mind. Without reading, you cannot use advanced word. Because in daily life, we often speak. It doesn't matter, even in our mother tongue, we always use basic words. You will see very few people who speak complicated words, complicated sentence. Yeah. So I vastly exaggerate. Oh my God. Anyway, this is the truth. And yeah, keep learning,